Hello everybody, welcome to day 2, technically day 3 of the laser cabinet enclosure build. I took day 2, kind of jumped ahead a little bit. I assembled the front and rear panels. So the laser is going to sit in this top section here with storage underneath. This is the front. I'll have 3 separate doors. The back will just have a plywood panel in the middle of it. These are going to be transparent orange plexiglass, and the lid will have 3 panels in it so we could see what the laser is doing while it's running and protect our eyes. Now we're going to get started on the side panels. They are 24 inches wide, 40 inches tall, just like the height of the fronts. They're frame and panel. I've got this one clamped together on the bench so I can mark out my joinery and where I've got to notch my grooves for the panels. Okay, I've already got it marked for my dominoes. Now we're going to mark it for our grooves. Our grooves have got to go, pretty much every piece on here has got to be grooved. We don't want to groove all the way across because the domino is going to go in the center. So we want to stop about 1/4 inch into the corner or into the side. So we want to stop our groove there. I'm going to stop this one here. We want to stop this one here. Let's see, this way. And then there. This one needs to stop here, 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 and right in there. This one needs to stop there, there, and down here, down here, down here, down there. Let's see. And this one down here needs to stop right in that area there. Okay. So what we've got here, we've got a 1/4 inch spiral cutting bit set 1/4 inch deep. I've got the beginning and the end point of my cut marked. And basically we're just going to run through when we get to this point. When it gets to the far side of it, the bit will lift up, we'll come back, we'll plunge back down on the next mark, we'll run it through, and we should be good to go. And we clean all of the garbage out of the groove. And there we have our grooves cut. Okay, we've got everything marked, got our grooves cut where they need to be. Got our spots for our dominoes to go. If this is the Festool domino, if you've never seen one, it uses a rotating and oscillating bit to cut a slot for a beech tenon. So basically what we're creating is a loose tenon. And it works very much like a biscuit joiner. It's got a mark here, you line up with your mark there, plunge it in, it cuts it. Let me show you how it works. Okay, quick and easy. Got a spot that drops into. Using the fence, it's all the same distance from the top, so when I line it up to the next one, it'll line them up perfectly. And we just glue it in, and we're ready to go.